Hi guys, as you can see in front of us we have a painted Ultramarines Repulsor Executioner. This miniature has been uploaded onto Goblin TV in a tutorial on how to paint the Ultramarine Repulsor. Also, this very painted miniature is going to be given away by myself by anyone that places a comment on the Goblin Gaming TV tutorial of the Repulsor Executioner. There's a link in the description box below to the tutorial of the Repulsor Executioner, and I'll also put a link in the comments field down below. So please go over to Goblin TV, hit the subscribe button, watch the tutorial, maybe leave a like if you've enjoyed it, but don't forget to leave a comment on the video because Goblin TV will be picking a winner at random, and one lucky person will be the winner of this painted Ultramarine Repulsor Executioner. Okay guys, just a quick video, so I hope you enjoyed the tutorial on Goblin TV. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.